How do we do a manual disinfection of the expiratory valve housing assembly? First, we talk about the disinfection solution that are recommended for the Carescape R860. The disinfection solution that can be used are the following: Sporox 2 and Sidex OPA. You can also do autoclaving at 132-degree sterilization cycle for 4 minutes, 20 minutes drying cycle, or 134-degree sterilization cycle for 3 minutes, 20 minutes drying cycle. This disinfecting solution or autoclaving process can also be used to disinfect neonatal flow sensor. The process may vary depending on the disinfecting agent used. Refer to Carescape R860 user manual cleaning and disinfecting process. In this video, I will use hydrogen peroxide, Sporox 2 as disinfecting solution using the soaking method to clean the expiratory valve housing assembly. So, how do we do it? Step 1. Use the soaking method to manually clean the parts. Step 2. Soak the clean parts in Sporox 2 solution for a minimum of 30 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius in a clean soaking tray. Ensure that all the surfaces of the parts are submerged and no air bubbles are visible. Submerge the exhalation valve assembly in a solution and push down on the spring-loaded plunger repeatedly. Step 3. Rinse the parts thoroughly for 2 minutes in a cold potable tap water 25 degrees Celsius. Flush all surfaces. Rinse all surfaces for 2 minutes in sterile or potable tap water 40 degrees Celsius. Flush all surfaces. Finish rinsing with a 70% isopropyl solution to aid in drying. Step 4. Remove the parts from the solution, allowing cavities to drain and dry in room air. Do not wipe the parts during the drying process. Step 5. Check the parts for deterioration, such as deformation or cracking, once the exhalation valve housing assembly is dry. To connect back to the ventilator, assemble the expiratory valve housing. Connect the diaphragm, the O-ring, and then the water trap and expiratory flow sensor. To attach the housing, place the tab of the housing into the groove and push the housing into a position. Listen for an audible click. And then gently pull the housing to make sure it is secured. To use other validated cleaning solutions, you may check the GE Carescape R860 user manual or get in touch with the GE healthcare representative in your country for guidance.